Welcome to today's class on color mixture. Today we'll be making two different skin tones from primary colors, and on our palette we have the titanium white, we have the medium yellow, we also have the brilliant red, cobalt blue, and the black. So without wasting time, let's go straight into the dark skin tone first, and after that we'll go into the fair skin. So this is the highlight from the dark skin, and it's gotten from somewhere around this area. So let's mix that first. It's a very light brown, and mixture of brown is the combination of the three primary colors. So if you are joining this video for the first time, this is an art academy that teaches people of all ages art and how to be creative. We teach people of all ages art and how to be creative. So if you want to learn arts, painting, do well to subscribe to this channel. So the last one we mixed, we realize is too yellowish, so we need to add more red and probably blue to desaturate it. Just been going back and forth. Okay, I think this should be close. Yes, it is. So the only thing I want to do to this is to add a little bit of black. Okay, still need to add more black. And maybe red. Little red too. So we're going to add white to make it closer. We need to add more red. So these are the right combination, but the proportion is what I think is giving the challenge here in this color mixture. So yes, this is the color. So we could have thought that the highlight on our skin is this dark. So that's why I used to say highlights are not white when it comes to realism painting, because they are not actually white. When you mix them with white, when you use white for a highlight, it makes your artwork less realistic. So for the other tones in our skin, it's more like a reddish tone, like a reddish brown. Okay. Just want to add a little bit of white and black to the mixture. So let's test it this way first. Okay, this is the color, though it's very small. We use it that way. That's the color on our skin tone, the second color there. Let's move on to the third one. It looks like a very dark brown. So the very first thing is we want to mix brown, and from what I can see, this brown is reddish too. Okay, that's close. We need yellow and black in that mixture. The yellow is too much, so we need to bring in red again. And black. Perfect. So that's the third color on our skin, and that color is getting from somewhere around here, all of this shade. So we are going to the fourth color, which is the darkest. It's also a brown, a very dark brown. I've explained in my past video that when you are trying to mix brown, since it's a desaturated color, you don't necessarily have to care the colors you are combining, because it's a combination of the three primary colors. So whichever one that your red leans to is still going to work. So we need black in this mixture. And that's the color. So let's move on to the fair lady. Highlight is more like a pinkish or a peach-like color. So let's start by mixing red and yellow, just little yellow in the mixture. Then let's add white. A lot of white this time around. That's close, but I just want to add very minute black to that color, and that will be it. Oh, this is too reddish. That's too reddish. I think we still need a little bit of black in the mixture. And the black just messed up the whole color. So I have to bring back the peach that I missed and add white. Okay, this works. That's the first color on our skin, which is our highlights. Let's move on to the second color. This is more like yellow and red. It's a brown too, but I think it's a kind of brown that has this feel of more of yellow to every other color, or should I say it has more of yellow and red. We're going to have white in this mixture too. Also note that mixing realism skin tone or painting realism skin has a lot to do than just having browns all over the skin. Fine, if it is a studio edited picture,